Leadsleap. Yes, you heard that right, Leadsleap. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $4,700 with it, creating and selling simple yet insanely profitable affiliate funnels. Let me quickly show you something. If I go to the menu here on the left side and I click affiliate commissions, you can see that I earned over $4,700 and I have $300 pending and I have ready to withdraw $48. And all these commissions that you can see here are coming from the affiliate program of Leadsleap. Not only that, but the funnels I'm creating are also responsible for other earnings on Warrior Plus platform. As you can see, these are the stats for the vendor account and these are the stats for the affiliate account on Warrior Plus. So you can see clearly here that it's from the beginning of this year, January 1st until today. If I click go here, you can see clearly that I earned more than $8,000, and as an affiliate, same dates, and I click go and you can see clearly here that I have earned more than $3,000 in commissions. Now I know what you are thinking, another Leadsleap video. Yes, but trust me, this is different. I'm not just going to show you some fancy tricks or vague promises. I'm going to reveal the exact system I use to turn Leadsleap into a cash cow. And the best part, you can duplicate it too. So what is Leadsleap for me? How do I think about Leadsleap? It's a powerful platform that helps you build your online presence, generate leads, and ultimately make money. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your digital marketing. But let's be real, there is a ton of noise out there about Leadsleap. The truth is that most people struggle to make money on Leadsleap. They get lost in the features, spend hours creating complicated funnels that don't convert, and they end up frustrated. And that's why I decided to take a different approach. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, I focused on simplicity. I created affiliate funnels that were easy to set up, duplicate, and most importantly, generate results. I discovered that the key to success on Leadsleap is to focus on a few core elements, not everything. And for me, it was number one, high quality lead generation using Leadsleap tools to capture targeted leads. So in one hand you have the tools and on the other hand you have the traffic, because Leadsleap actually is great source of targeted traffic. The number two is offering irresistible offers. So creating or partnering with products or services that people actually want. And the third is proven sales copy, writing compelling copy that converts visitors into customers. And by combining these elements, I was able to create affiliate funnels that consistently generated sales. Now I know you're dying to know the specifics, right? Well, here is the secret sauce. I created turnkey affiliate funnels that could be easily duplicated by anyone. These funnels were designed to capture leads, nurture them, and ultimately convert them into paying customers. And the best part is that I was able to sell these funnels to other Leadsleap users, creating awesome income. And the real power of these funnels is that there is always something to learn in each funnel. So this is what I call them, earn while you learn. So every time I give away or sell a funnel, I make sure that there is real value inside. On top of the resources that my customers get, that I make sure that there is a real value, a real training, something that they will need in the future. Now let me show you just some examples. If I go down on this page here and I click on the first one here, this offer is about mastering traffic generation with Leadsleap and traffic exchanges. And actually my customers will read this ebook here and understand exactly the strategy to use to generate more traffic using Leadsleap and traffic generations. But on top of that, they will get the whole funnel that they can duplicate and make actually 50% commission on my work if they generate sales. So on top of building their lists, they will be making commissions if they sell one of my offers. Let's take a look to another one. This one here, the hot offer. This is actually a set of templates for capture pages or landing pages if you want. And same thing here. So people can use the resources for themselves, but they can get also a done for them affiliate funnel that comes with the capture page, the thank you page. As you can see, the thank you page is 100% monetizable and rebrandable with their affiliate links. And also they can generate or recruit new affiliates to Leadsleap itself, which offers, of course, 50% commission for paying members. So there is always something to learn, and there is something to use immediately to generate leads and generate commissions. Now, before I give you the real key to success on Leadsleap, let me kindly ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are not, and make sure you check the links in the description below for free resources and also for more tools and more knowledge. Now, what is the secret key to make money on Leadsleap? Well, it is about focusing on what works and creating systems that can be duplicated for maximum profit. You pick something that works and then you create a system that can be duplicated. This is how you can go viral. So I just said it. Focus on this idea here of finding something that really works. It can be a product, it can be an opportunity, and then you create a system that can be duplicated and you will see success. Now, for those who want to work with me, I created a special offer actually, which is this one, the one that you're looking at here, where I can partner with someone where I create the product, I create the offer, I develop all the resources needed for the system. All you have to do is find your idea. If you are doing an opportunity, come talk to me about it and we will see what exactly can be done and can be duplicated on Leadsleap. So please don't hesitate to check this offer here. I am actually giving you all the details of what we can do together, and if you are interested, please click the buy button below purchase, or if you want, you can contact me before doing that and we will discuss all the details. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.